Aside from budget, I'd say the next most frequent question that I get asked is how long does it take to tear down and build a new house? Like, what's the whole timeline for a tear down and new build? And actually, if you break it into smaller parts, custom design build is broken into pre-construction, which has two phases, and construction. The most important part, in my opinion, is the pre-construction. And that's where you're making decisions in design. We're working together to figure out a design that will best fit your family's needs. Then as you move through that earlier phase of pre-construction or design, then we're progressing towards selections and permitting. That whole time frame can take, I've seen both design and permitting be completed in as few as 6 months. I've seen it, extend more commonly into around the 6 to 9 month frame. And then construction, if it's new construction, because it's a tear down new build, I'd say in 12 months or less, which is the same period for your construction loan, we usually are able to go ahead and break ground and then give you the keys. There needs to be some form of buffer as well. And actually, the good news is lenders are actually offering that buffer as well if you're using a lending partner. And so we see construction falling somewhere in the realm of 10 months on a best case scenario to 16 months. And that's where I get 12 months as an average. And so it'll take however long it takes because our commitment is more to quality than anything else. But just know that we update you along the way so there's no surprises as it relates to the timeline. You find out about it when we find out about it, good, bad, or indifferent. So building a custom home is broken into easily digestible parts.